This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix FIFA Mobile not working on Wi-Fi from your iOS device. So if you're using Wi-Fi and now you see the FIFA app not working or not opening, follow these 3 solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check your Wi-Fi internet. Open a browser and open a random website. If the website is loaded properly, it means your Wi-Fi doesn't has any internet issue. Now go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on this eye icon next to the Wi-Fi you are connected. Disable low data mode, scroll down and tap on configure DNS. Select manual, remove previous DNS from here and tap on add server and add this DNS 8.8.8.8. Again tap on add server 8.8.4.4, then tap on save. Once done, try to reopen the FIFA app on your mobile. And the second solution is reset all settings. To do that, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix the issue. And the third solution is offload the FIFA app. Go to General, tap on iPhone storage, and here you have to tap on FIFA Mobile, offload the app and reinstall it from here, and hope this solution will fix the issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.